Be sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on that notification bell and hit the like button.
I'm always doing the most, finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back, let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So this is a video sharing some of the products we have coming on this 16th of November. Here are 4 out of 10 new acrylics that we will be releasing. So I wanted to get a swatch video in so you guys can really see the colours and how they apply and just how beautiful these are to just work with and just how stunning they look. I mean, come on, look at those bloody colours, they look beautiful. I absolutely love them. Anyway, from left to right we have Seduction. I'm lying to you, that is completely wrong. We have Rose Petal, Bunny Boiler, Seduction and No Regrets. These are available on the 16th of November at 12 PM UK time. So let's get into swatching. I have my block tip stand and my practice tips all ready to go, and I'll link these down below, so if you're interested you can check them out. So I'm going to start off by swatching Rose Petal, and this is a gorgeous red, like a red base infused with so many particles of beautiful gold shimmers. It's absolutely stunning. Perfect for Christmas, perfect for Valentine's, and just generally if you love to wear a red nail, short or long, this colour is absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to just go ahead and pop these onto my practice tip, smoothing them out, and I'll top coat them all at the end because then you can really see the colours pop. For the next colour, I'm moving on to swatching. This is called Bunny Boiler and it's a nice hot pink. It's honestly gorgeous. I cannot wait to get it on my nails. I think I might actually use this next. I love this colour. It's so stunning. There is no shimmer running through it, so it's a completely matte colour. There's no glitter, there's no shimmers or anything like that. I think this might be one of my favourite colours. It's so beautiful. I do love Seduction as well. And the others, I mean, I love them all, but honestly, this one is so pretty. So pretty. Okay, so up next we have Seduction, which is a gorgeous kind of mauve lavender, cool toned lavender. It's beautiful. I kind of don't really know how to describe it because it's not a lilac. It's kind of grey-ish lavender. Hopefully that makes sense. It's absolutely stunning. It's super creamy. Again, this is a completely flat colour. There are no shimmers. There are no glitters running through this powder. It is 100% flat and absolutely stunning. Moving on to the next colour, we have No Regrets, which, let me tell you, in the jar looks yellow, like a super bright yellow, but I promise you it is a gorgeous, like electrifying orange colour. It's absolutely stunning. This one again is a matte colour. There are no shimmers whatsoever running through this powder. You do have to work slightly differently just to make sure that all of the pigments are completely blended on the nail, so work a little bit wetter with longer strokes. But honestly, it's absolutely gorgeous. Also, you have to think as well, obviously I'm doing these swatches on a super long nail. Most clients do have a shorter nail these days, so well, I suppose some do have a long, but yeah, I'm just saying you would only probably need a couple of beads, but because I'm working on such a long nail, it's you know, taken me a little bit more, but yeah, I absolutely love this colour. Okay, so now I've finished swatching them, I've allowed them to dry, and this is how they look. I am so happy with them. These combined with the 6 glitter infused powders just honestly are so beautiful. So here's how they look a little bit closer up, and then we're going to go ahead and apply Super Gloss No Wipe Top Coat just to see how they look glossy, because sometimes when you add that top coat it just really makes that colour pop and makes it look absolutely stunning. I mean, they look beautiful as they are, and I would definitely wear all of these shades matte, but yeah, let's get that gloss on top. Okay, so using Nailmate Super Gloss, I'm just going to go ahead and apply a nice coat over the entire nail and then cure in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. I have sped this up slightly just because I'm going to share the finished results at the end of how they look once fully top coated and dried. And I guess, I mean, everybody loves top coating, and I didn't want to completely zoom through this so that nobody gets to see the process of it. So I wanted to still keep it in but not take up too much of your time. So I hope you enjoy seeing these being top coated. When I was doing it, I was like, oh my god, it's so beautiful. And then I did the next one and I was like, oh my god, it's so beautiful. They all honestly just look absolutely gorgeous. And I know I'm biased. I say that in most of my videos, like I am so biased because obviously it's my brand. I work so hard to make it what it is and to make sure that everything is quality and just absolutely as perfect as I can possibly make it. I know that there is always room for improvement, and I am not against improving things. If I think something needs improving, or if somebody says something to me, I would definitely take anything on board, because I want Glitter Planet and Nailmate to be the best brand, and I won't stop until it is. Like, I am working so hard to make it such top quality and just super fabulous. So yeah, definitely check us out if you haven't already, and if you have, thank you so much. I get messages daily saying how much everyone absolutely loves us and how they are converting over to our system completely, which it just makes me so happy. It makes my heart burst with pride, and I just can't thank you guys enough for being amazing. Anyway, that was completely off topic and just randomly thrown it in there, but hopefully you guys liked my bit of cheese with extra sauce. So these are the final 4 colour powders, part of the 10 that we will launch on the 16th of November. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and loved seeing these being swatched and top coated. I know I enjoyed sitting down and doing it. It was super relaxing, and I just love seeing the colours all together. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Bye.